Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Toyota Camry or Venza owner, or if you're just looking for ways to improve your vehicle's performance, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to be talking about the EPAuto GP171, CA10171 replacement for Toyota rigid panel engine air filter. This air filter is designed to help extend the performance of your vehicle, protecting it against dirt and improving fuel mileage. It's a recommended replacement every 12,000 miles, making it a cost-effective and easy way to maintain your car's engine. Not only will this air filter help your car run more efficiently, but it's also a direct replacement for FRAM CA10171 and is a Toyota genuine part number 17810H050, 17801 28030. That means you can trust its quality and compatibility with your vehicle. Speaking of compatibility, this air filter is specifically designed for the gas 4-liter engine of Camry 2007-2017 and Venza 2009-2017. It's important to note that this filter is not for hybrid models, so make sure to double-check your vehicle's specifications before making a purchase. But wait, there's more. If you want to ensure that your car's air quality is top-notch, we also recommend checking out the companion cabin air filter. CP285, CF10285. This will help keep the air inside your vehicle clean and fresh, providing a complete solution for your car's air filtration needs. So, if you're ready to take the next step in maintaining your Toyota's performance and efficiency, be sure to click the link in the description to purchase the EPAuto GP171, CA10171 replacement for Toyota rigid panel engine air filter. Trust us, your car will thank you for it. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and reviews on car maintenance and accessories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.